Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Happy Thanksgiving. Since it is this time of thanks this year, I wanted to come on and thank all of you who have watched my videos, commented, given me a thumbs up, subscribed to my channel, participated in the challenges that I've hosted, and just a general overall thank you for the friendship and support that you've given me since I started my channel. I hope you and your family are having a wonderful time today, celebrating the fall and transition into winter time, remembering what's important and remembering the things that you are thankful for in life. I hope that your home, if you are hosting Thanksgiving, is starting to smell of wonderful goodies, turkey, gravy, stuffing, pumpkin pie, that sort of thing. I am hosting this year and I know I will be busy with my family and probably not watching YouTube, but I thought for those of you who may come on to YouTube today, I wanted to extend to you my great thanks for you watching my channel. I hope all of you are having a wonderful day, and again, I want to thank all of you and wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.